Hey you guys, so it's Keoshia. I'm back for another cleaning video. If you like my cleaning videos, please give this a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos from me. And without further ado, let's just get into today's video. Okay you guys, welcome back to the fourth video in my spring cleaning series. If you are new here, my name is Keoshia and I am spring cleaning my home for this upcoming spring and summer season. I have already got 3 other videos in this series, so if you would like to check them out after you check out this one, I will link them down below so you guys can go ahead and check them out. Also, if you don't know, I have done the KonMari Fly Lady method in the past where I declutter my whole house, and so I'm sort of kind of going back through every room as I am doing this spring cleaning and decluttering, cleaning everything up and organizing things. So that is what you will see in the majority of these spring cleaning videos. So today we are in my den. And if you are new here, I recently last summer put in new floors, painted, did the trim, everything in this den, so it's not as dirty as the rest of the rooms are in my house, or untidy or unorganized. It's probably, besides my bedroom now, is the most organized room in the whole house at this point. So today we will basically be just doing a lot of spring cleaning, a lot of just wiping things down, but I will not be probably decluttering or doing too much because there really isn't anything in this room to be decluttering. It's going to be more of the cleaning type thing. So today I have my duster, of course, and I usually use Clorox cleanup, but because like I said, this room is newly renovated, it's not that dirty, I'm just going to go ahead and use my citrus spick and span antibacterial spray cleaner with the fresh citrus scent. So I am just going to use that if I have to wipe anything down. I have my bucket of warm water, and of course I have my infamous cleaning rag. So the first thing I noticed that I need to clean is this ceiling fan because it's ridiculous. So let's go ahead and get to cleaning. We keep all our movies over here, but it's really hard to get to them, so I'm going to actually take them from behind here and move them over to that side so they have easier access. If you guys know a clever way to hide your movies on a bookshelf, like maybe have some kind of book insert thing or something where you can put all the movies in, let me know, because I would not I definitely don't want to be able to just see all the DVDs lined up. guys. So the den is officially spring clean. So I cleaned up this area over here where my treadmill is. I wiped down where my record player stand is. This is the couch, all nice and put back together and clean. Everything out there has been clean. Here is the floor. It's pretty bare. One day I'll get a rug, don't have it in yet. This is my TV area along with the shelves behind it. As you saw, I cleaned them off. This is our mantle, very minimal, along with the fireplace. Not too much going on. I have a basket full of blankets. Don't mind that. That's my storage right now, and I don't have the doors back on. And then this is this bookshelf that I put the movies on, and that is all that is on there. And that, you guys, is what the den looks like once I have deep cleaned it. And then you saw I washed all the windows and cleaned them off as well. So we have a nice clean den. Everything is wiped down and looks really, really good. So yep, and I cleaned the ceiling fan as you guys saw as well. Okay, you guys, so that is the end of my spring cleaning for the den. As you can see, it did not take as long as my bedroom and each area in my bedroom, because like I said, this room had already been renovated last summer. Therefore, there was hardly anything in here that needs to be decluttered. It had already been decluttered as far as I would like it to be. It is a kind of plain in here. I don't have a rug. I don't have anything on the walls, so it's not really a lot going on. It's not a lot on the bookshelves. And as I finish spring cleaning and organizing stuff, soon I will be starting, you know, to decorate this room or whatever. So next time I do it, it may be a little bit more things. Hopefully my gallery wall will be up by then. We will see. But if you guys enjoyed these spring cleaning videos, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next spring cleaning video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.